Very good afternoon to all our listeners. Hope you've had a good trading day so far, and it's been quite a busy one. Firstly, just recapping some of the major news that we've seen. The Chinese central bank coming out, surprising the market and cutting interest rates further. This coincided within a few seconds with the release of the Bank of England, who, as expected, increased their quantitative easing programme by a further £50 billion to £375 billion now. Elsewhere, the European Central Bank, they cut interest rates, taking rates in the euro area to all-time lows at 0.75%. That move was expected. However, they also cut their deposit rate to zero, which was more of an aggressive move than expected by the market. So the short end of the curve in Europe has outperformed. Taking a look then ahead toward what else we have with the DoE energy numbers. These coming a day later than normal given the Independence Day holiday yesterday, and as the NYMEX pick session returns to normal. In the expectations for the headline crude number is for a drawdown of 2.3 million today, a much bigger drawdown that we saw of 133,000 in last week's reading, and we're looking for a build in gasoline distillates of approximately 1 million. In terms of the oil news we've seen so far today, we did see a sharp bid in Brent futures ahead of the NYMEX pit open today, which also lifted WTI crude futures. This came after the ongoing strike action in Norway took precedence, where we've seen the talks come to somewhat of a stalemate and a lockout with the labour unions, and as such the big oil firm Statoil are going to look to close one of their biggest refineries. It equates to around 2 million barrels per day of equivalent of oil to the market. So that's it from me for the moment. Again, 4 o'clock London, a slightly later time than normal for the DoE oil numbers given the holiday in the US. So that'll be 10 o'clock Chicago. So I wish you all the best, and we'll have another update for you later on in the day.